Hello, my name is Lee Song Thư. I am currently 11 years old and I am studying at Germania and also in 6th grade. My hobbies include drawing, writing, crafting, and also singing. So the reason why I want to join this contest is because I want to improve my debating skills and also my writing skills. Plus, I really want to communicate with more people and make friends with them. The reason for this is because I have a big dreams that I could study abroad or maybe get a good job. So I think English and debating will help me in achieving my goal. Plus, when you communicate with more people, you get to know them more and also improve your speaking skills. So that's why I want to join this contest, and thank you for listening.
In this debate of souls and flesh,